And so the works on my Great Wall are now finished all around the property. Let's make a little time wrap so you can see all the possible angles. It was altogether probably 3 weeks of work, something like that. I don't know how many bags of cement and lime, but it was plenty. And it is now complete. So it's time to celebrate, and for that I plan to do some tourism. So let me take you around. Alright, so let's do this. I'm gonna show you some highlights from my neighborhood. We have amazing weather again. So check this out. What views we have here at the old mountain. All the way there in the back is Vitosha, my friends. The main mountain next to Sofia, capital city, Bulgaria. Camping here, cool. I mean, look how picturesque it is, you know, all these little small mountain towns or villages. This is for me the true Balkans, my friends. Prove me wrong. So I have just pulled off right by the road. Small amazing beach, water deep enough to swim. Isn't Balkan amazing? Look at the water. I mean, it's as clean as it can be, no? Wow, what a place. Can you feel it? The quietness, the peace. Let's hope the peace will prevail here. But that's another topic. Let's go further. So I have reached end of the road, and check this out. This roof is made out of those slates that I was building my chimney cover. Here they have the whole roof out of it. To give you an example of typical old mountain home, check this out. Nice rocky fence. This is actually nicely renovated. Look at the facade. And here they left the half of it. Here they left the half of it naked. You can see all the rocks. Obviously a place like this will be super hard to buy, like nobody's selling this. They prefer to lock it, and I don't know, no idea. They come here maybe once a year, some hunters or whatnot, but things like that are most likely not for sale. And if it's gonna be same price like apartment in Sofia. I have a feeling that I must be very close. It's supposed to be a nice waterfall, so no question. There is some camping area, and look at that bridge. Luxury. Another little small bridge. This river is just amazing. Oh my god, this must be it. This must be it. There's not much water coming because we are at the end of summer, of course, but check this out. I wish I could go a little bit higher, but it's totally slippery. Look, all the water droplets, it's really quite something. Nice place. And so because this waterfall is not as big as I was hoping for, and it doesn't have this like wow effect, I will cut into my expedition to local caves as well. So here comes another story. The final few meters is this kind of bushy path. A lot of it is with spikes, so I choose to push my bike instead. I mean, isn't this beautiful landscape? Over there, those cliffs, those are my caves. So this is my first time here. It also looks like there might be some kind of spring or very little river coming out of there, because these trees usually grow right along it. So this is the spot. Now it's total jungle for a change. I think nobody was here for a long time, and I'm here for first time, so I have no idea where to go, but it must be this rock formation right here. Maybe I'll come here one day with a handsaw and make myself a little path, because it's definitely a nice area to camp or make a barbecue. Here there are some marks of civilization. You see some markings, but honestly this is absolutely amazing. Whoa! I hope there is not a bear or something, because this is it. Wow, look at that, check it out. Isn't it amazing? There are netopires and vampires. I can see them flying. Woo! One of them is scared of me now. Wow, this is exciting. There's not going to be much visible, I guess, but hey, you know, if nothing, this is a good bunker, you know. I'm not that big of a prepper, but should there be some bombs flying around, this might be a place I go to. Hello. Okay, now a little bit scary actually, with all those vampires. Ooh, and it's a storm right now. Wow. Anybody here? Yep, storm is coming. I'm gonna get stuck here. So let's have a look a little bit inside. I wonder if there will be something visible. All right. Wow. So it's quite big, but not that big. Wonder if you can see anything. Oh, I need to get more in. Yeah. Beautiful. And so I'm getting out of here before the storm comes. Even though the cave is pretty cool, I don't have to spend 2 hours stuck here alone. So I'm gonna jump on my bike and go back to my house. If you want to know more about my project, check out other videos on this channel. This was something a little bit entertaining, some local tourism, and I better run now before the storm hits me. So until next time, do widzenia.